guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this hairstyle with short natural hair. So I've cut my hair off about 3 months ago, so my hair is like non-existent, it's quite short, but I really wanted to do some braids and I'm not really here on spending like £150 minimum on a wig. I want to have a braided wig. I don't want to have a braided wig, sorry. And I felt like it would be nice to get my hair braided and I wouldn't be like fiddling around with it too much. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's neater than what I expected, especially because of the fact that my hair is so short. But yeah. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I'll appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one, guys. Okay, so I actually started off the hair because I didn't actually know this was going to work, but I thought it's working, so I might as well do a video. So I've started off by parting my hair like with elastic bands. The back is probably not as neat as the front. Like, that's what the back looks like. I don't even know what the back looks like because I can't see the back, but I did my best. So yeah, and now I'm attaching the braids. So I always forget to do this when I'm doing my hair, but I need to show you the hair that I'm using. When I braid my hair, I use Expression, and I have it in the colour 1B. So I've just taken a chunk of hair, and what I do is that I just kind of tilt it so it's longer on one side than the other because I want there to be more length. I'm just putting the crochet hook in my hair and then putting this through and then pushing it through. And one thing I will say is if you're doing this hairstyle, just don't make your elastic bands too tight because it's just going to be uncomfortable on your head. Okay, so what I do now, I don't normally do this, but I tried it today and I thought actually this is a better technique. I get that loop and I put the hair through and my hair through, and it just locks everything in together. It's not the neatest looking thing, but it works. And I'm gonna braid over this as well. Okay guys, I'm back. I decided to do most of it off camera just because it's quite repetitive and I didn't want to like bore you guys. But this is what I've done so far. It's quite difficult to try and blend your hair in, so like I've got this one in particular, a bit of the hair just popping out. What I'm doing with my hair, so it worked this time, but sometimes my hair doesn't blend into the knot, so I just take a little extra bit of hair and then I just put it on top and then braid the hair. So when I get to the end of the hair, I'm not doing the end of it because I'm thinking to curl the bottom. I've never tried that before, so I wanted to try it out. So yeah, I'm just leaving them like unplaited. so I've braided up the ends of my hair. I want to just slick my edges now, and then I'm going to put a headscarf on. So I've got some hot water here, and I'm just gonna put those ends in. I was supposed to use rollers, but I don't know why I've put mine, so I don't actually know if this is gonna curl, which is really annoying. I would have just done it to the ends. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some olive oil mousse. I'm going to spray it, put it all over my scalp. I've kind of run out, so I can't use as much as I want. Honestly, I need to go to the hair shop. I'm just going to focus it on where the part is. In the front. I'm going to let my hair dry. And I'm just going to put this headscarf on so it just makes my hair nice and flat. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is like almost dry, but I just did my makeup quickly. So this is what it looks like. I'm so proud of myself. The curls actually came out alright, even though I didn't even use colours. This is what it looks like at the back. Obviously I can't really see the back as well as the front, so I'm actually proud of how neat it is. It's not the neatest thing in the world, but it's okay, you know. Can you focus please? Yeah, it's really neat, and I like doing a little, when I do braids I like to have it on the side. But yeah, tell me down below what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I will happily answer them. Sorry, I might have a bit of, my headscarf was on, just ruin my makeup. Yeah, I really hope you liked this video, if you found it helpful. And yeah, if you have a short natural hair, this is kind of like a go-to thing for more, even if you're like the type of person that is not good at like gripping hair. But doing the rubber band method and the crochet method is really, really simple. But yeah, I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.